Y'all, it is supposed to snow in Georgia tonight. So, I didn't want my little stray cat outside to be cold. So I had to capture her and bring her in. And normally she sleeps in my shed outside, but I didn't know if it would get warm enough. Even though I do have her a warm bed out there, like that plugs up and it stays a little warm for outside cats. But I didn't know if it would be enough, so I had to capture her and bring her in. It's what I had to do.
Let everybody see your beautiful face. You're so pretty. Yes, she is. Hi. Yes, you're so pretty. Yes, her is. Look at that baby. Look at her. Hey. Where you going?
As of right now, it looks like we are just getting ice. Just ice. We got some snow. It's starting. See if I can get it in my hair. Did you get it in my hair? Get it? Did you get that? Did you get it?
White snow falling down all around. Let's go outside, play on the ground. Snowflakes dancing, winter's here.
That feel good, Jasper?
Laughing and cheering, full of cheer. Snow fun all day long. Building snowmen, singing our song. Snow fun, we play and run. Winter wonderland, so much fun.
Jasper, it's snowing! Hey, bud!
Rolling snowballs, big and round.
It's Georgia's winter wonderland. Last time it snowed was 2018. Here we are in 2025. It's so pretty. It's like 5:30 in the morning right now. This is what I'm working on my snow day. Just coloring in some color books my papa got me for my birthday. It's a nice, lazy morning. Although I think the snow is really beautiful, I'm not really one to play in it. That's my doggies. They want to get out the back door with me, but they're not going to. But I did tell myself I will at least make a snow angel. So here I am. And I got my ski bibs on, even though I've never been skiing in my life. I was just waiting for this day. It's snow ice. That's where I tried. It's just ice, icy snow. I did a snow angel on the porch. I guess you could kind of see it. I guess the snow was more broken up because it's been walked on. Ready to go outside? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I want to go, Mom. Let's go. Jasper?
What you think, buddy? Huh?
What about you, Sawyer? You don't like it so much, huh?
You go play, Jasper. You go play.
Oh. This right here is why we don't eat snow. It's always crazy when it snows in Georgia. What you doing, soybean? Say, it is cold out here, Mama. I just need to use the bathroom and get back inside. This one's got so much fur, he don't care.
What's he doing? You know you ain't going out this way. You go that way. You go that way.
What you got going on?
Trying to make a snowman. But I can't just roll it around.
Do you wanna build a snowman? Or go outside and play? Just plop it down.
What's these babies doing? What's these babies doing?
Jasper, he's so furry, he loves it out here. Junie B's wearing her sweater.
Goodness. Oh my goodness. Zoom, 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 zoom. Come on. Hey, Bubby. Hey, baby. You enjoying the snow?
Let's see how Anna's doing. Her snow creation. Oh. Uh-oh. He almost lost his head. That's beautiful, baby girl. Where's his nose? That's supposed to be his nose? Alright, well, we're true Southerns.
Well, maybe.
He lost it?
Yeah.
It's gone. There you go. Just leave it as a present for him since he won't come out. Her husband don't want to come out and play, so she's gonna leave him a present on this truck. Oh! It's cold. It's cold, baby. It's not that cold. It is cold. I don't got my gloves on, so my hands are freezing. Yeah. But the rest of me's okay, cause film this, cause what I got on.
I got a snowsuit on in Georgia.
I knew it would come in handy, even in Georgia.
Well, southeast Georgia. Everyone thought you were crazy.
I just need snow boots.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is the strongest leaf ever.
What are you gonna use the leaf for? His nose. Place the nose properly. It won't play.
Okay, maybe the thicker side will go. I'm just gonna give you a COVID test. Stay still.
It's not happening. He's gonna be noseless. Okay, well that's my snow fun. Done. Well, that was fun, but I'm back in the house and out of the snow, where my southern girly butt belongs. Bye, y'all.